Hey, Lion Gang. So we are about to make some cookies. What are the cookies? Hold on.
The cookie dough. I think something is still missing. I think the cookie sugar.
We have it already. Make some chocolate chip cookies. We get a bowl.
Yeah, and
Say
this
happy Friday, Lion Gang. We're making cookies.
Happy Friday, Lion Gang. We're making cookies. You want to see what kind of cookies you making? Tell
So
us.
the butter.
The butter is what we're gonna make with our cookie.
To make our cookies.
Yeah, because we need a big bowl and 2 spoons.
Let's see what we need. We need 1 tablespoon of water, a half a stick of butter.
Here's 1 spoon.
Okay, we're gonna do 1 table of water. Let me get some water. Hold on. We might need a bit more than that. Let's see how it turns out. Hold on. Go put that in. Give me that spoon.
No! I don't
I got you. Gotta swap it. Don't add much of germs. Here. Do not put it in your mouth. I'll beat you up. Wait a second. We gotta put the cookie in there first. All right, y'all. So we're gonna go and put in the chocolate chip cookie. Please don't scratch your head around the food. We got our oven preheating at 400. We're gonna dump the cookie in here.
I can see it.
Yeah, I might have to make 2 of these. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna have to get 1 more. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I had to get it. Yeah, it's all. I had to get an extra one. We're gonna mix these up first. We're gonna do a half a stick of butter.
Yeah.
So let me see this spoon.
This is my spoon.
Wait. Don't do that, because they can't see me. Okay, right here. Let's see, half. Here's the thing that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Here in the middle. 4. That'd be half for this one and half for the other one. I'm gonna work with 1 first. Let that get a little bit soft. Get over there out the way. This, how long we gotta let them cook for? 375. Hold on. Soft butter. 11 to 13. Oh, I'm gonna get my timer.
Yeah, do you
Okay.
see?
So we gotta put.
Mommy, that is
Okay, there we go. Here, put it in there. All right, a tablespoon. And we're gonna start smashing the butter in here like this.
No, I'm trying to do it.
Smash it in there. Smash. 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 Smashing. While you smash, we're going to spray this pan. Okay, we got that pan sprayed. Smash. Come on, smash. Smash. Come on, get these in the oven. Let's go. All right, let me show you how to smash. You just keep it in there. Put the butter down. You're wasting the butter, girl.
Get off your misty butter.
Don't put your hands in your mouth. Don't eat butter. Don't eat butter. Why she want to eat butter, y'all? Why does she want to eat butter? That was trying to be great, okay? Trying to keep it higher. Can you keep your hands out your mouth? Help me close these cabinets. All the cabinets in the video. Okay, so let's smash and smash and smash and smash.
That's how you smash?
Yeah, I should have melted the butter, but it says do not melt. We gotta mix all this cookie dough with the butter.
Wait, how did this?
You just want to cover it. So we're covering the butter. See how we're covering it? It's melting. See that? Ooh. Is it melting? Melting.
What y'all making?
Cookies.
Hey. Oh.
Lala, why would you do that?
You gotta be careful coming in. Uh-oh. Okay, it's all right. The chicken. Chicken. She was asleep. She woke up. She probably fell asleep. Chicken. Gotta be careful. You come to that door. It's like stove is like right. I don't know why they have to go close to that door like that. That's just not logical. But, we're ready now. Yes. Put that there. Nope. You got to do it like this. Can you scoop it like this? Not that whole big old chunk now. You gotta make a big size cookie. That's gonna make a big enough cookie.
Can you help me, Mommy?
A bigger size cookie than that. Oh, okay, that's big enough right there. Put it in the same spot. Y'all, so the first batch was an epic fail, I say, because I sprayed the pan with this, and it said non-spray. So y'all funny. Huh? Y'all are so funny. Here's the cup right here. It's really not that serious. Y'all can help yourself. There's some more. I just took them out the oven, okay? Did you dump the water out? Okay. Trinity thought that was funny. That was not funny, Trinity. When you was more close to her than I was. I just came around the corner. Yeah, the girls' night, okay? The girls are having a good time. But I think it's an epic fail because I sprayed the pan. But then your girl, she had to redeem herself. And then look at these right here. I had to redeem myself. Look at these right here. They came out good. I think this is an epic fail because I sprayed the pan. But these look better. So your girl had to redeem herself, and she did. And they looks good. So we got to let it sit for 2 minutes. And then I can take them out and add them to the other ones. I don't know why the girls got scared when I came in the kitchen. But they can help themselves to cookies. I was making sure it was enough for everybody. If they wanted to grab a cookie, okay? Y'all funny. You can still grab that cookie, girl.
Can I have a cookie?
Once I'm gonna give you one of these when they cool down, cause them, I don't know if you're gonna like them. They got a little crisp on the bottom. It's hot. Do not touch. Hot.
But I hungry.
This is not a hungry. It's a snack. Chill out.
I have one.
Okay, I don't know. You don't like the bottom. Get one of these with the bottom, but you gotta wait. It's hot. 2 minutes. Please. This is gonna burn your finger. Yes, it is.
It didn't burn.
Don't touch it till I say so.
But I hungry.
You can get one in a minute. We're gonna take them out and put them in here, and then you can have one. We got a few minutes, okay?
These ones
Yeah.
hot.
Extra. You're not gonna like that one cause the bottom. You're not gonna like cause the bottom.
Yes,
Let the big girls have them. Let the big girls have them. The little girls have them over there, okay? But wait, I'll take you out one. It's gotta cool down. It's hot.
But I don't want.
You're not listening. Hold on, guys. They came out good. It look a little burnt, but it's not burnt. It tastes so good. Oh, I need some milk, but I need some almond milk. I don't do that regular milk. I need almond milk, but look at them chocolate chips. It came out so good. It'll be not epifail. Okay? I just know not to use this bird next time because what's it? Butter. But it tastes good. It tastes delicious. I'll be back, y'all.